This is database lab exp number 7. It is about triggers. First question is create a trigger to prevent the same car booked by the customer at the same time. For this we need to create a trigger. The syntax for creating a trigger is create trigger. Here I have given replace because once the trigger is, if a trigger is created, if you don't use this replace keyword, what will happen again? If you are going to create another trigger with same name, if you don't give replace, what it will not be created. It will be saying drop the trigger first one, then only you can do. And so create or replace trigger. This is the trigger name. Before or after you can keep insert, delete, or like insert, delete, or update, anything you can keep. On car booking, this is the table name. Now the question is prevent the same car booking, so that we are saying before insert. For each row it's going to apply when new dot car booking equal to old dot car booking and new dot custody equal to old dot custody. Two conditions we are checking. First is new date equal to old date, means new date means if a customer is going to add new one, it will be new date, and the old dot booking will be the old date. So these two are compared and this program will be executed. This begin and saying dbms output line of car booked ready. This will be output already booked, you cannot book. This will be the output which will be printed. Now after executing this, the trigger is created. Again the second question, raise an application error. Application error means similar to this one. What we are going to do, if not a member, not, we use the symbol this one for not, and create a replace trigger like similar to first question for each or insert or update. If insert or update happens on a booking table, what we will say when new dot custody not equal to old dot custody, we want to write this application error simply. This will be the output of the thing and this will be the application error. Again trigger is created. Now the third one, create a trigger to update the price details when every new car is added, means every time when a new car is added we need to increase the price. What we'll do, again the similar syntax, create or replace trigger this is another trigger. After insert on car details for each row, begin insert into price details, car id, car type, base price per day, values new dot car id, new dot car type, new dot base price. What we are doing is we are adding the new values into this one. That's what, create a trigger to update the price details whenever a new car is added. Whenever a new car is added, we are updating the price details of the table. And next is create a trigger to delete the record in the car details table corresponding row how to be removed from the price table. Now create or replace trigger, similar syntax. When, like what we are going to do, we are using insert and update. Now we are using delete on car details for each row. This is a syntax, begin and inside this we want to write what we want to do. Delete from price details where car id equal to old dot car id, means if the car id will become equal to the old dot car id, means old dot car id, this is the new car id and this is the old car id, we want to output that entry deleted. Okay, and create a trigger which will perform it to update the price at the last day of the month. Like for this one what we will use is we want to take the system date. Like we will take the system date, with the system date we will be updating. Create a trigger, create a replace trigger. This is another trigger before update on table price details for each row. When system date equal to last date, day of sys date, means when it is the it's a function last date. When is the last day of the system date, what we will do, we will say dbms.output line of update the price table. We need to update the price table. And sixth one is create a trigger that will display number of booking when new bookings are added. We want to count the number, so that we will use the function count of. This again create or replace trigger. Similarly, now we are declaring it variable num equal number. This is the data type. Two numbers we can take. Begin and end. In between this, select count star into number from car booking. Now we are counting the number of car bookings and we are outputting the number of car bookings that this trigger is doing. And the last one is like disable the trigger. Disable the trigger, simple command we will use, disable trigger name. See, like sorry, alter trigger name, disable. And last drop means drop trigger name we will use. And display the count of each car being booked. How much count is there for each, for say similarly for like say 6 question, we need to have the count. Similarly, we will write the command over here, declare. We are declaring two numbers, car number and id. We are saying select car id comma count into, like we are counting the number into the id, this id we are counting, and comma number, this number from car booking group by car id. We are getting the count on id, and we are sending id, like car id we are getting, car id we are getting in id, and count we are getting in num, and we are displaying it using dbms output line. Thank you.